Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the topic trigonometric function. Express sine 6x minus sine 2x in a product form. So before we begin the discussion, kindly refer to the factor formula. So here we have sine A minus sine B, which is equals to 2 cos bracket A plus B over 2 multiply with sine bracket A minus B over 2. Next, kindly compare the situation where A in this part is 6x followed by B, which is 2x. Kindly substitute the situation. So sine 6x minus sine 2x equals to 2 cos bracket 6 plus 2, we will have 8x over 2 followed by multiply with sine 6x minus 2 and we will have 4x over 2. Simplify the situation. Sine 6x minus sine 2x is equals to 2 cos 4x sine 2x. Second part, hence, shows that sine 6x minus sine 2x plus with sine 4x is equals to 4 cos 3x multiply with sine 2x and cos x. Next, let's begin with the left hand side. So here we have sine 6x minus sine 2x plus sine 4x, which will be equals to, make use of the identity, and we will have 2 cos 4x sine 2x plus sine 4x. Meaning that we are going to use the double angle, which we will have 2 cos 4x sine 2x plus, by using the double angle, 2 sine 2x cos 2x. Factor out the sine 2x. Sine 2x bracket 2 cos 4x plus 2 cos 2x. Factor out the 2 and we will have 2 sine 2x bracket cos 4x plus cos 2x. By using the factor formula, we have, which will be cos A plus cos B is equals to 2 cos bracket A plus B over 2 cos bracket A minus B over 2. Kindly substitute the situation or make use of the factor formula. So we will have 2 sine 2x bracket 2 cos bracket 4x plus 2x over 2 multiply with cos bracket 4x minus 2x over 2. Finally, 2 sine 2x multiply with 2 cos 6x over 2, we will have 3x bracket cos 4x minus 2x, we will have 2x, divide by 2 and we will have x. So finally, kindly refers to the situation. We will have 4 cos 3x followed by sine 2x. Finally, we will have cos x. Refers to the left hand side. Sine 6x minus sine 2x plus sine 4x equals to 4 cos 3x sine 2x cos x. and we have shown the situation. As for part B, use the result in A to solve sine 6x minus sine 2x plus sine 4x. And as we can see, here we have the common situation, and we can substitute the situation, meaning that 4 cos 3x sine 2x cos x equals to sine 2x cos x. Kindly rearrange the situation. 4 cos 3x sine 2x cos x minus sine 2x cos x equals to 0. Kindly factor the situation where we have a common terms. So, sine 2x cos x bracket 4 cos 3x minus 1 equals to 0. So finally we will have sine 2x equals to 0, followed by cos x, which is equals to 0, and the third one will be cos 3x, which is equals to 1 over 4. So now we are going to solve the situation for the range 0 until 180 degree. For the part A, sine 2x is equals to 0. Step number 1, sine positive. And the quadrant will be the first and the second. So the quadrant will be the first and the second. Step number 2, find the basic angle, where we have sine 2x equals to 0. 2x will be equals to 0 for the basic angle. Step number 3, the range. So in here, the range would be 0 degree until 180 for the value x. And we have to multiply the angle or the range, and we will have 0 degree 2x until 360 degree. Kindly refers to the rotation. Step number 4. First, refers to the quadrant. We will have the first and the second. Number 2, we have the basic angle 0. So meaning that here will be our basic angle. Step number 3, illustrate the range starting from 0 until 360. Step number 5, the solution, where we have first intersection, second intersection, and the third intersection. So the value of x will be 0, 180, and 360 degree. So finally, x will be equals to 0, followed by 90, and then 180. Next, we are going to focus on the second part. Cos x equals to 0. Number 1, cos positive. So the situation will be the first and the fourth quadrant. Second step, the basic angle. So cos x is equals to 0. X will be equals to 90 for the basic angle. Step number 3, the range. So in here, range will be 0 degree until 180 degree. Step number 4, the rotation. So in here, we have the first and the second quadrant, followed by the basic angle where we have 90. And then the rotation would be 0 until 180, where the points of intersection is on this part. And finally, step number 5, x is equals to 90 degree. Next, focus on the third part where we have cos 3x is equals to 1/4. Step number 1, cos positive, where we have the first and the fourth quadrant. The basic angle, cos 3x is equals to 1/4. So 3x equals to 75.52 as a basic angle. The range will be 0 until 180. So 0 until 3x until 540 degree. Step number 4, the rotation. So where we have the basic angle in the first and the fourth quadrant, and here we have 75.52, another 75.52. So based on the rotation, we will start from 0 until 180, until 360, until 540. And the intersection point will be this part, followed by this, the second one, and finally the third one. So the answer would be 3x is equals to 75.52 followed by 360 minus 75.52, and we will have 284.48. Finally, 360 plus with the basic angle, which is 75.52, and we will have 435.52. Divide by 3, finally we will have x is equals to 25.17, 94.83, and finally 145.17. So now we are going to discuss the final answer. So kindly refers to the question. The angle is in between 0 until 180 for the value of x. So the final answer will be x is equals to 0 followed by 25.17, then 90 degree, then 94.83, then we will have 145.17, finally 180 degree. So here we are, and thanks for watching.